Standing out here in front of the house. They're working inside tile. And I'm actually waiting for the delivery of a new dishwasher and a new cooktop. Said they'd be here in about 20 minutes or so. I've been out of the house as of today 5 weeks. I might be able to move in this weekend if they can get the floor in that office right there. I don't know if you can hear the tile cutting machine. I also came to start my motorcycle because I haven't started this Kawasaki 400 in 2 months. And it started on the first click. You just can't beat Japanese motorcycles. I'm gonna sell it. I'm done with motorcycles. I'll probably get about 5,000 for it because of the limited supply, and it's in such. I only put 1,100 miles on it. It's 2019. With gas prices, people want motorcycles. That'll go toward Carla's new BMW, which is on order. So there's a lot going on here. Haven't mowed the lawn. I'm going to mow the lawn tomorrow. It's greening up. Everything's greening up again because we got all that rain. But that's our neighbor. They had a big water leak, and Greg is going to do their house. They had a water leak, we had a water leak, and Jeff had a water leak. And Greg is doing all three of us. I'm just noticing everybody's got 2-story houses. We're just really, I just can't do 2-story. I hate stairs, and if you forget something, oh, I gotta go back upstairs. So that's why we wanted to fix this house up. This is where I'm gonna die, right here. And so we're gonna have it the way we want it. Showers, kitchen, floors. God has been good to us. Pay your tithes and offerings. Be faithful to the Lord. He'll bless you. He's blessed us, and we don't care about things. We don't do it for that. One day it's all going to burn up. We don't care about things. We just want to go home. Be with the Lord. Be with lost loved ones. Is this Home Depot? It might be. No. I don't think it is. Somebody's slowing down. Ford Explorer. Goes a golf cart. Beautiful day, man. Just beautiful. I don't know who that is. So I gave our contractor $43,000 yesterday. So far I've given him $86,000. There's about another 30 to go. He's got to buy a lot of stuff. Tiles expensive, the countertops. But so far we're pretty much on schedule. I'll go hit some golf balls. I forgot how to hit an iron, man. That golf is so tough. For 2 months I was hitting, well, as recent as this weekend, I was hitting a 6-iron. Straight, high, perfect. And now I can barely get it off the ground. I don't know what it is. Pretty good with drivers. So that's about it for today. August 25th it is, 2022. The house project continues. You notice our windows don't have those grids on them. See those grids that other windows have? We got the idea from that house over there. We liked it just having open panes without the grids. 2 houses have them over there. And I think I think Bill behind us is going to go with that look. I love Sabbath at home, and here in the afternoon I just sleep and rest, and after church and going for a walk, and it's heavenly. All right, that's all she wrote, folks. I'm out.